Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage resource allocation with Microsoft Project, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Project and create a new project file. Input your project's name and set the start date. Define the overall project goals and milestones. Identify all tasks required to complete the project. Enter each task into the task list. Assign a duration for each task based on your project plan. Organize tasks by creating a hierarchy using indenting. Connect tasks with dependencies to reflect the sequence of work. Access the resource sheet view from the View tab. List all resources needed for the project, including personnel, equipment, and materials. Define each resource's availability and cost if applicable. Assign resources to tasks by selecting the task and then using the Resource tab. Use the Assign Resources button to allocate resources. Check for over-allocation by viewing the resource graph or resource usage view. Adjust resource allocation as necessary by leveling resources. Access the Resource Leveling feature under the Resource tab. Choose to level immediately or automatically based on your preferences. Review the project timeline to ensure that the changes reflect properly. Monitor resource allocation throughout the project with the Resource Usage view. Make adjustments as project needs change, such as adding or removing tasks. Utilize reports and dashboards to track resource allocation and performance. Analyze resource costs and overall project efficiency regularly. Keep communication open with team members regarding their tasks and availability. Adjust project plans based on feedback and changing conditions whenever needed. Finalize all resource allocations prior to executing the project. Ensure that your team is aware of their allocated tasks and responsibilities. Continue to monitor and update the project as necessary until completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.